Our very last pattern is for when there is no formula, when you simply have to search. Backtracking, it is how you solve a maze, a sudoku, or fit that last awkward piece into a puzzle. And the idea is to explore your choices, like walking a tree. Make a choice and step forward. If it leads somewhere valid, make the next choice. Go deeper. But the very moment a choice breaks the rules, a queen attacking another, a sudoku column with two fives, you stop. You undo that last move, step back, and try a different branch. And that undo is the whole trick. Instead of blindly trying every complete combination, you abandon a doomed path the instant it becomes hopeless. This is called pruning, and it can save an absolutely astronomical amount of work. It is depth-first search, but with the power to retreat. The classic is the 8 queens puzzle. Place queens one row at a time, and the moment two of them threaten each other, back up and shift the last one over. Backtracking is patient, systematic trial and error. Try a path, hit a wall, step back, try another, until the whole solution quietly falls into place.